Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel is all about making money online, where I review IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Today I am presenting you with a way you can actually make bank with Canva. If you don't know what Canva is a app and a website in which you can make templates, pictures. You can do whatever you want when it comes down to like graphics and stuff, like whatever you want. You can actually edit photos. They actually have a feature where you can make videos too. Like Canva is like elevating itself like in time. Like at first they didn't even have a feature where you can make videos, but you can make templates, you can do logos, you can do anything when it comes down to graphic design, and people are making bank using this free app right here. They have a free site and then they have a monthly yearly subscription in which I use it. That's the pro version of it. So yes guys, if you are willing to learn how to make money using Canva, make sure you stay into the end, because I am going to be giving out another additional free way in which you can make money online. And I wanted to ask you, I need to ask you this one favor. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel so YouTube will know that this is a helpful video, so I can help somebody across the world or next door to me who wants to know how to make money online using just a free app like this, like Canva. So yes, let's get right into the video. Didn't mean for a super duper long intro, so yes, let me stop talking. Let's get into it. We already know I'm about to show you how you can make money with Canva. So we are over here on Fiverr once again, and I have typed in erase background. So I have already found somebody to model. They are super duper dope, and I found out like she was really professional with her words and everything. So look at her title. I will do clear cut out, delete or erase photo background quickly. Okay, she have basic starting at $5 for 10 images, source files, high resolution. And then she has the standard file for $20 for 50 images. And then she has the premium style for $40 for 100 images, guys. So do you think she is actually doing this hands on, like literally just erasing with like a tool everything out? She might be out the background, she might be doing that, but I don't know. But I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing she is doing with Canva. I know there's a lot of tools out here that help you do it, but you have to like do it you have to do it manually. We're not going to do that. So like I said in my other video, the best way to give a clear example of what you have to provide or what you want to do, find people that is already doing what you are doing, that has success, and model them. So just model everything that she has, but make sure you put everything in your own words. Okay, everything has to be in your own words, but you can use like the same format. For example, how we are going to promote ourselves is, like I said, every other video is social media. You can go to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. These are free traffic sources. These are not just here to just have friends and be nosy and see what your neighbor is doing. You can actually make money if you use all of your social media platforms wisely. So right here, you can just go to business owners in groups, look at business people that's looking for, or people who's looking for people to do like removal of background, and then make sure you have like photos of you like before and after. And you can do that because you have Canva. Canva is a free source that is going to help anybody who is looking to make extra money online with this super duper easy tactic, which is removing background. So I have a picture right here that I've taken, and I am going to show you exactly how you can remove the background. So we're going to hit up edit image here, and guys, Canva is super easy to sign up. You just sign up like any other website, your email address and so forth and so on. And right here it says BG removal, so that just means background removal. So I'm going to click this right here, and it's going to load in. It's going to remove the background from this picture in seconds. Like you see in her description, she said she can move 100 backgrounds for $40. Okay, if she was doing it manually with her hands, it's gonna be very, very tedious. It's gonna take a long freaking time, okay? And with higher resolution. Right now it looks a little crazy, but when you press apply and let it sit, it will come back. I know it looks crazy right now, but I've been doing this for a very long time, guys. A very long time. So here you go. See? It looks perfect. It's not fuzzy like it used to. You had to wait for it to load. Okay, like I said, you can get different images from Google and just make a collage. You can have like a side by side of images that was before and then after, and promote your services on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Follow people who may be interested, provide valuable content, and you will find your ideal client that's willing to pay the price that you want them to pay. Okay, you set your own prices. Guys, if you want to know exactly how I make money online, make sure you check out the description so you can get your free training, okay? I'm dropping gems in there, okay? So make sure you hurry up and sign up for your seat, okay, before all the seats are filled. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because you already know we are on the road to success. See you in my next video.